Most spring flowering bulbs, including daffodils and tulips, need a period of chilling. It's a technical term is called vernalization. And it's basically a cooling period of around 40 degrees, and that allows the flower to set inside the bulb for the next year. We're probably at the edge of where our bulbs need chilling. If you plant bulbs south of here, especially tulip bulbs, a lot of times you don't get enough chilling. If you live in the Gulf Coast states or where it's warmer, parts of Texas, they rely on this Division 8 Tazetta daffodil. And the Tazettas are kin to the paper whites that you see in Christmas. They're sort of in that same group. And so this is one called Minnow. And as you can see, there's multiple florets, but they're almost always very fragrant. And this is a Tazetta type. So so these bulbs don't require that vernalization. So it makes them very useful in warmer parts of the country.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.